BioGreen Phoenix is a greenhouse heater designed to meet the highest demands on quality and comfort. The body is made out of stainless steel and therefore rust-free. When standing on the ground, all the controls are on the heater. It can be operated from a standing position, eliminating any unnecessary bending for the gardener. The use of water in a greenhouse is unavoidable, and the BioGreen heater is IPX4 tested for safe use in humid environments. The heater can be ideally used as well in garages and workshops. The Phoenix heater is equipped with stainless steel heating elements, which is in direct contrast to that used in cheap heaters, where the heat elements turn bright red when hot, or just give up dry air and damage the plants. Another feature is its ability to circulate air in the greenhouse. This fan is able to circulate 460 cubic meters per hour. There is no unpleasant strong stream of hot air. The high circulation cools the heating elements so that the outflow temperature remains very low. This means that the warm air remains on the ground where it is needed and does not immediately rise as with other heaters. The Phoenix greenhouse heater keeps your plants from freezing, and the air circulation prevents any mold formation. The thermostat has sensors on the outside so that it measures outside temperature and not the temperature of the heater itself. This enables an effective and constant adjustment of the temperature in the greenhouse within a range of 0 to 26 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The required temperature can be precisely regulated. This is not only good for the plants, but also saves a lot of energy. The Phoenix greenhouse heater can provide ventilation in summer and heat from between 1,000 watts or 3,412 BTU and 2,800 watts or 9,553 BTU in winter. The red lamp indicates that the heater is on, and the switch gives the option of running the fan continually with the heater or operating synchronized with the heating elements. Of course, if the heater is hung from the ceiling, these features are still available, and the switch is easily operated from underneath. Please assure before purchasing this heater that your wiring system, safety switches, and your sockets are geared and safe to run with a heater that operates on 240 volts. BioGreen wishes you a lot of fun with the most sold hobby greenhouse heater in the world.